Mosquitoes, not interested in me. And also, dense fur keeps them away. Yes.
What was the name of the book again? Monkey? That was rude.
What are you talking about?
What was the name of your book that you were telling the children? You were telling the children a scary story. What was the book?
You're gonna need like a CC1357 release for the amount of time you filmed my bottom.
Monkey, what was the name of the book?
I was telling you, the book is called Silence of the Monkey, and it's an adaptation. Why are you pointing that thing at me? I can't see what your face looks like. It's an adaptation of Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad. Is that his name? I can't remember. Anyways, this is very uncomfortable. I have not signed a release. She has no rights to film this. Also, I have to go back upstairs and try and keep Davis from getting nightmares.
Because you told him a scary story.
No, I didn't. I only told him the first chapter.
How'd that go again?
Like this.
That's not how you told the story when I heard it when you were upstairs.
I'm still halfway through the first page. Chapter 1, page 1. Silence of the Monkey. It goes like this.
That's pretty quiet compared to...
Stop interrupting!
Okay,
I'll start from the beginning. Chapter 1, page 1, Silence of the Monkey. This is a serious story. Stop laughing. Okay, sorry. I'll start again. Chapter 1, page 1, Silence of the Monkey. This is a serious literary piece of work.
Okay.
And you just keep laughing. Okay, all right.
Okay, Monkey, I'm serious.
I will read fast.
Can you get to chapter 2?
No, chapter 2 is really scary. I haven't even got through chapter 1 yet. Okay, chapter 1, page 1, Silence of the Monkey. I'm ignoring your crap, okay? I will start in the middle of the page. Okay, she sucks at this. All right, help me out. I'm going to turn the page. Lick my finger. Okay. Always turn books from the top of the page. Lick it again. Okay. Chapter 1, page 2, Silence of the Monkey. Okay, lick my finger again, okay. Turn from the top. Okay. Chapter 1, page 3, Silence of the Monkey.
Book, Monkey. Is that the end?
Come back tomorrow with chapter 2.
Okay. Good night, Monkey.
I can't sleep after reading that chapter.
Do you need to cuddle with Rufus?
No.
Do you need to cuddle with Stella and Davis?
No, I need 6.99 bananas.
I'll work on that. Thanks for the story.